Okay, Gabon. Okay, first possession. Process. Espedillo, connect on 2 points. First basket of the game. Good. 10 seconds to shoot. Up ball. 4-3. Eugenio, 3 points. Crisostomo, wala. 14 to shoot. Ocampo, drive. Wala. Rebound, Espedillo. Long pass to Evangelista. Lays up. Good for 2 points. Score is 7-3. Valdez. Pass to Zuan. 14 seconds to shoot. And it's still. This time Eugenio is in 2 points. Score is 9-3. And another steal. Valdez to Espedillo. Connect for 2 points. And another steal, but there's no whistle. Foul on number 43. First personal foul, first team foul. Sabrep. Come Evangelista, losing the ball. Pass to number 99, Eugenio from the corner. 3 points. Score is 14-3. Zuan. Almost a steal. To Valdez. Zuan, long. Paco, connect for 2 points. Here's coming Evangelista, long pass, almost a steal, Espedillo, Eugenio from the corner, 3 points! Ignacio, and a steal! And meron tayo. Okay, a foul on number 3. That was Ignacio. First personal foul, second team foul moment. Eugenio and double dribble. Ignacio, pass to Valdez. Ocampo from Bedford 3, Mr. Shep. Another rebound, Valdez, too strong. And here's come number 43 to Evangelista. Eugenio, and the ball goes out. Same ball. 14 seconds shot clock. Evangelista on a rebound. Almost a steal. Here's down number 23. 10 seconds to shoot. And traveling. Here's grab number 3. Pass to Ocampo. With Zuan. Zuan to Ocampo. Shot clock is 12 seconds. Sabrep. 12 seconds, shot clock, 12. 10 to shoot. the class, rebound by number 23, Pastor Evangelista. Evangelista dribbling the ball, 14 shot lang. Evangelista pass, missed the shot. It's the rebound number 23. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 3, pushing foul. Zagreb, number 3, that was your second personal foul, 13 foul.
Second, number 3.
2 shots for number 23.
Ang taas. Sige, easy.
And basket. Ordered to shoot. And it's still again by Eugenio. This guy Eugenio to number 25. To the 20 points, Espidillon. Okay, there's also a foul on number 1 or number 7. That was Valdez. Entering penalty on Mowell. Evangelista, pass to number 99, Paitan. 10 seconds to shoot. To Evangelista. Eugenio, another open for three. It's the shot. Passing rebound, number 33. 10 seconds to shoot. Eugenio. Espidillon. Fires. Wala. Rebound by Violeta. To Pereira. Open for three. Almost. Passing rebound by Diaz. Losing the ball. There's a steal. There's time Espidillon. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio to Eugenio. Wala. Rebound by Violeta. Pass to Diaz. Diaz left hand. Wala. Rebound number 99. Evangelista. And there's no offensive foul. Was called on number 33. First personal foul, first foul from Rosas Zagreb. Campo, pass to Pereira. Pereira, 14 to shoot. But there's a steal again. Paitan, pass to Evangelista. Lose the ball. Sayang, nabitawan yung bola. There's always a foul on number 33, pushing foul. That was your second team foul. 2 shots for Ocampo.
Second personal.
First throw for it. Second throw. Another one to Ocampo.
Asa!
And this time number 5. Number 5 to Ocampo for that 14 points.
Pasa.
To Dinjon. Stop and pump. Short. Diaz.
Yun o. Nice one, Ethan.
Wala, rebound by Paitan. Coach Coutinho.
Tira.
there's a whistle. Traveling. Okay, time out. Requested by Filipinas Roses. Official score is Manakas ka. Okay. Fourteen shot clock. Ocampo from the corner. And there's a whistle. Inbound violation. 14 seconds to shoot. Ocampo on the inbound. Pass to number 5. Suelto. Longto. Score is 20-40. Down to 6-point lead. Escudillo. Pass to Paitan. Paitan, turn around. And almost a steal. Simple shot clock. 11 seconds. 11 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5. Evangelista. Wala. Rebound. Violeta. And there's now whistle. Foul on number 99. First personal foul, 13 foul Roses. Violeta on the inbound. Suelto. Ocampo from the corner. It's the shot. Rebound by Paitan. Pass to Eugenio. It's got Eugenio. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista. Pass out to Eugenio. Eugenio, pulang jumper. Malakas. Passive rebound by Tan. In and out. Rebound by Violeta. And it's still from behind by number 23. And it's still by Ocampo. Ocampo. And still by Eugenio. Eugenio, connect for 2. 40 seconds. Suelto. Short. Rebound by Paitan. Pass to Eugenio. To Evangelista. Evangelista. Rebound. Wala. Passive rebound. Escudillo. Malakas. Rebound. Pero may foul sa likod. Galing kay number 15. Evangelista. That was your first personal foul entering penalty. Roses. 23 seconds remaining. Diaz. Official score 22-40. Let's go possession. Ten seconds to shoot. Eugenio. 7 seconds. 5. Okay, end of the first quarter. Official score is 25-40. Start of the second quarter. Number 81, personal foul, first team foul, Filipinas Roses. Ignacio. Number 15, Herrera. Ignacio. 5 seconds to shoot. Wala. And that's a whistle. Foul on number 5. Pushing foul. Personal foul, 17 foul. Herrera. 3 points. And almost a steal. Simple. Number 1 is getting good. This is by Ocampo. Number 2 points. Score is 19-25. Pirme. Pass to Ramones. To Roses. Roses to Ramones. Connect for 2 points. EM Ramones. Ramones. Number 3 to Ocampo. Pass to Pereira. Running shot, malakas. Rebound by Ramones. Pass to number 81. And number 16. And meron tayong foul.
But,
Number 5, that was your second personal foul. 13 foul losses.
3 agad all. Go team.
Ocampo. There's a foul. First flagging foul on number 6, Roses.
Warning
That
for
was your
penalty
first
na.
personal foul. Entering penalty. Roses. 2 shots for Ocampo. First throw connect.
Hinahabol niyo, kuya. Ayun lang.
Second throw. Another 1, 2 out of 2. 87-21. Firme. Almost a two. Okay, 5 seconds to cross.
Ah,
First down, Firme. On the down to Ramones. Ramones picks. Connect for 2 points for number 5. Pereira, pass to Villanueva. And still almost recovered. 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez, pass to Villanueva. Wala. Another discipline for Villanueva to number 3. Nice move. Basket count, follow number 6. That was your second.
Uy!
Okay, bonus throw. Bonus shot, wala. Another basket count.
Ano ginagawa niyo? Kakalat kayo ah.
Okay, bonus shot. Foul number 1. 29 pa lang tayo. Takbo lang.
Tab niyo na.
Ocampo!
Uy, wag ganun.
29-27. Down to 2-point lead. Roses, straight. Block by number 3.
Sapa. Uwakwa!
And to the ball. Here's from number 3. Going to number 15. Pereira. Kenya, all 29. And there's a whistle about from behind on number 15, Pereira. First personal foul, first team foul moment. Evangelista on the inbound. Another foul. Number 15. The consecutive foul for number 15.
31 yung ikaw. Tayo. Sige.
And it's being but the ball goes out.
Check the score! Check the score!
Okay, substitution.
Hindi ko nakita. Hindi ko napansin. Check the score!
Steal by Villanueva. As to Ocampo. Ocampo. Wala. Rebound number 3. Galawan ng bola sa ilalim. And jump ball. Bola ng White versus substitution. Score natin the black on 29.
29
diretso, wala. Kasi rebound kay Ramones. Ramones. Didra,
Bang!
short.
Huwag kang tumingin dyan.
Another basic
Bang ka
rebound.
lang.
Ito Evangelista. Wala pa rin. Basic rebound pa rin. Ramones. Connect for 2. 31,
Ay, nagkaroon
29.
tayo sa second quarter. My gosh.
2 point lead kay Roses.
Band-aid na to. Ligtas nyo.
Crisostomo. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio. Substitution. Timeout. Forward.
Ba't ano yan? Pause. Nakorek yung score. Very good. 33-29. Okay. Pause.
Jumbo, single, shot clock, 8 seconds. 8 seconds, silent shot clock. Here's Kami Evangelista. Turnover out of bounds.
Ayan na, pinasok uli yung first stringer natin.
Chacha nito.
Fourteen shot clock.
Bang!
And out of bounds.
Shoot na tayo.
Wala, sigurado ka, wala dyan. Ha? Sigurado, wala ka dyan.
Ay.
Evangelista. Ramones. To Eugenio.
Bang,
Malakas. Defensive rebound. Pero meron tayong whistle. Foul on number 5. Ramones. Penalty red. Penalty.
Ay, penalty na.
Third personal foul on number 5. Okay, number 5 Ramones. That was your third personal foul.
Substitution, Paitan.
Sabi na. Okay, 2 shots for number 14, Crisostomo. First throw, connect. 33-30.
Hindi pa pwede si ano.
Second throw. Wala.
Ay,
Ocampo, malakas.
nice one.
Evangelista to Escudito. Back to Evangelista to Eugenio, 14 to shoot.
Ito.
10 seconds.
Tira.
Evangelista and a steal by Ignacio. Pass to Ocampo. Ocampo straight to the basket. Shot. Let's see the back of the ball. Here's got Eugenio bringing down the ball. Eugenio pass to Espinillon. Espinillon fires. Connect for 2 points. 35-30. Back to 5-point lead for Roses. Crisostomo pass to Ignacio. And a steal. Here's got Eugenio. Pass to Espinillon. Connect for 2 points. 37-30. 7-point lead. Roses. Ocampo, double team.
Hoy. Defense.
And Robbie dragging up. Expedillo. 10 seconds. Wala. Agawa ng bola, Violeta. Pass to number Suwan, Ocampo. Ocampo, Zaki. Dunay for 2 points. 37-32. 1 minute 50 seconds. 14 shot clock. Eugenio, 3 points. Lucky pass for Eugenio. 40-32. This time number 3, Ignacio. Straight to the basket. Getting a foul. Basket down. Foul on number 15, Evangelista. Evangelista, that was your second personal foul. Ramones. Another 2. Diaz. Risuan. 10 seconds to shoot. And it's still by Brenda. 50 seconds. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 6. Ocampo. 13 foul for Moen. First personal foul. Sabrep. Seconds to shoot. Eugenio from the corner, wala. And a put down to the corner point on number 33. 30 seconds remaining. Diaz connect for 2. 20 seconds. Eugenio drive. Tumama sa tuhod. Okay, Owens ball, 11 seconds remaining. Ocampo is down. Ocampo straight to the basket, wala. Okay. Mission score 44-37.
Ilang paabulin.
Ramones, wala. Okay, Lakbol. Golden shot clock. Ramones. 10 seconds to shoot. Evangelista. Drive. Alusot. Uy, may kasama ng foul.
Yuan.
Basket count. Foul on number 3. Pushing foul. Third personal foul on number 3. Ignacio. Bonus shot for Evangelista. Okay, bonus split through. Evangelista completing the 3-point lead, 47-37. That point lead by Roses.
Tapos papahabol din natin ulit.
Herrera and Violeta, kulang jumper, wala, rebound Evangelista. And there's a whistle, a foul on number 43, Diaz. Second personal foul and second team foul moments. Espidindor on the inbound. To Eugenio. Eugenio, Luzon, malakas din niya yan. Diaz.
Nice pass.
And a steal by Eugenio. Lista, Evangelista. Speeding down, speed, whatever you want.
Let's go!
Beautiful, officially score. And a steal by Evangelista. Evangelista, rebound. Evangelista there. Connect for 2 points. 51-37. 40-point lead for Roses. Violeta to Diaz, block from behind. Violeta, block again by Maitan. It's a rebound by Valdez. Connect for 2.
Usok pa rin yun.
51-39. Eugenio to Evangelista offense for 3 back. 3 points. 54-39. 50-point lead for Roses. Violeta, pull-up jumper, connect for 2. 54-41. Wiskan Evangelista, pass to Espidillo. Espidillo to Evangelista. Rebound by Diaz. Pass to Campo. Campo really down the ball. It's Agui. And substitution. Espidillo on the inbound, received by Evangelista. Pass to Ramones. And foul on number 20, Violeta.
Warning
Foul.
na.
First personal foul, 13 foul moments.
Third pa lang.
Espidillo on the inbound. To Ramones. Ramones. Dire-diretso. Wala. Rebound, Violeta.
Nag-rebound si Waniwan. Prince, rebound!
Number 7, Valdez.
Nice one.
Espidillo. Espidillo. Connect for 2 points.
Uli! What happened? Naniniko daw eh. Technical. Ano daw? Pwede daw i-review. Ganito ni Coach Mike.
Okay, technical pass.
Sige, technical.
Okay, basket.
Sige, go. Balis. Ano nangyari?
Okay, 56-42.
Masyado akong busy sa highlights ng mga bata.
Herrera, pass to number 5, Sueto, to Campo, to Violeta. And it's still by Roses. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista, down, follow by Espidillo. 58-42. Roses, that was your third personal foul. First team foul, Roses.
Sige na.
Okay.
Huwag ka na magreklamo. Laro ka na lang.
Okay, 14 second shot clock. Oy! Galing sa labas. Okay.
Eden, tabi dyan. Mama! Oh. May
Okay.
aso. Huwag ka, baka abulin ka.
Ang lista, okay now. Escudillo. Tigil, binigay kay Evangelista. 14 second shot clock. Evangelista, two Roses, puro jumper, wala.
Yeah, malakas.
Iba, matapos sa labas.
Same ball.
And white ball pa rin tayo.
Line daw, line. Eden, huwag ka dito mag-dribble na. Eden, sa kapila.
Evangelista, two Roses. To Escudillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Escudillo. To Sueto. Back to Ignacio. To Diaz. Ocampo wala. Rebound by Roses. Roses. To Ragones. Pass to Escudillo. Binigay muna kay Roses. 14 second shot clock. 10 seconds. Ramones, wala. Rebound by Sueto. Nabitawan ng bola. Tumama ka sa tuhod.
Mama sa tuhod niya.
Substitution.
Nangyari?
Evangelista, okay now. To Escudillo.
Ay, Espidilor. Eden, I told you not to dribble here. You know.
And exactly 14 second shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock to be exact. Shot clock. Evangelista, lungis sa matupas. To Escudillo. Sayang wala. Escudillo, Ramones, blocked by Diaz. Here's the gun. Ignacio lang by Diaz. Diaz fires. Connect for the points. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Escudillo to Evangelista. To Ramones. Evangelista was for winning. And more out of substitution.
Anong quarter na to?
And a steal by Peñalosa.
Riding!
Está Peñalosa. Pass to Ramones. Against Crisostomo. Ramones lays up connect for points.
Oh, diba?
40 seconds.
Jump ball. Ah!
Crisostomo. Wala. Rebound. Roses. This time Roses. Rebound ng ball. Square. Wala.
Tata!
Rebound by Diaz. And there's a holding
Wow,
foul
99.
on number 1. Escudillo.
I see one.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. Roses. 17 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off.
Let's go, Pao. Kuha, 1v1. Lumabas.
Okay, 12 seconds remaining. 12.
Nice pass. Uy!
What a move! Para kay Ignacio. 16-46. Okay, end of the third quarter. Official score 16-46. 14 shot clock. Diaz, wala. Rebound by Roses. Uy, nagrabe. And a steal. Ignacio. 62-46. Diaz. Losing the ball. Still by Spindon. Pass to Pirne. This now Pirne. Nice pass to Roses. Wala meron katapik doon. Foul on number 3. Pushing foul. 2 shots. Fourth personal foul on number 3. Warning. First throw, wala. Okay. Basket shot tayo, basket shot.
Grabe mga Roses ngayon.
Okay, wala. Rebound. Peñalosa. Pass to Pirne. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramones. Putting for 2 points. Ocampo. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 42. Pirne. Substitution. First personal foul, first team foul for Roses. Ocampo on the inbound to Diaz. Diaz to Violeta, going for 2 points. 64-48. And almost a steal and out of bounds. Shot clock. 18 seconds. Roses. Peñalosa.
Bakit?
Kuryente. Okay, stepping on the line.
Peña, sa landanan yan. Peñalosa, wala pa rin.
Ocampo, pass to Herrera. Back to Ocampo. And
Backcourt.
dribbling violation, double dribble. Pirne, pass to Peñalosa.
Peñalosa.
10 seconds to shoot. Peñalosa.
Ay,
Short.
goal.
Rebound by number 4, Suwan. And a steal by Pirne.
Go, Pao.
Pirne.
Uy, ikaw dito to.
Mesa.
Sana. Okay, bawi.
Diaz. To Ocampo. Losing the ball and a steal by Ramones. Roses. It's now Roses. Connect for 2 points. Ocampo. And that was
Island na
foul.
naman.
Score
Penalty na.
number 8-1 Peñalosa. Second personal foul, second team foul, Roses.
Second team foul tayo. Rylen.
Ocampo to Violeta. Violeta pull up jumper, connect for 2 points. Pirne.
Ay!
Pass to Peñalosa. Peñalosa. Uy! Wala.
Nakalat na yun sa Peñalosa.
Meron tayong foul number 81. That was your second. Peñalosa. Tatlo pala. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Ocampo.
Yun o, sa
To
likod.
Violeta.
Takbo. Double.
And
Pasa.
there's still.
Chapo.
Substitution. Ocampo for the rebound to Ignacio. Ignacio, guarded by Roses. To number 15, Herrera. Side step, wala. Blocked by
Rylen! Ba't
And
hindi mo ginawa?
1 second on the shot clock. Well,
Gising Kuya Ryle.
12-second shot clock. Ocampo going for the inbound.
Nice one.
And still by Ramones.
Nice one pala.
Here's the Ramones. To Gilmer.
Ay, foul.
Eto, Ocampo. To Violenta. Violenta pulang jumper. Malakas. Rebound. Violenta again. Pass to number 3, Ignacio. Ignacio.
Kuya. Foul ka.
And offensive
Number
foul.
6, 4. Fourth
Was
na
called number 3.
Ay, number 3?
Number 3, that was your last and final foul. Foul out.
Ah, number 3. Very good.
Okay, foul out na si number 3.
Ah, foul out na siya.
Substitution.
Good luck, kuya. Galing. Good job pala. Nice play. Hindi ka na pakagalitan ng papa. Ito, kuya, Sai.
Speeding yun. Rodo yun down. Just si Evangelista. Moving the ball. Guarded by Pineria.
Yun, no?
14 seconds shot clock.
Yun, number 9.
10 seconds to shoot.
So, ah!
69-50.
At shot ka talaga.
Ocampo.
Ano?
Another screen for Eugenio. This time Eugenio. Dribbling the ball guarded by Crisostomo. To Evangelista.
Ay, naman.
Substitution. Evangelista. Tumpaitan. Back to Evangelista. Tumpaitan again. Pulang jumper. Good for 2 points. On the pick number 109, Paitan. Violenta.
Ay, sorry.
Pass to Pereira. Pereira. Wala. Rebound. Paitan. Pass to Evangelista. Pass to Eugenio. Eugenio open for the corner. Rebound. Diaz. And there's the ball.
Penalty.
Number 85. Substitution. Number 25, that was your second personal foul.
Yari, si Roland ang photographer natin. Walang dumating si Kuya. Nice one. Ano? Pinatay ka talaga.
Eugenio! Another missing rebound for Ramones.
Roland!
Ramones was the baseline, 10 seconds to shoot. And 3 seconds violation.
3 seconds si Paitan. Sige lang, bawi. Uy, foul.
And there's always a foul on
Second
number
personal.
25, that was your second. Entering penalty, Roses. Diaz, Crisostomo, and a steal, Eugenio. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista lang ang pass to Espinillo. 73-50. Diaz. To Ocampo. And another steal for Eugenio. Eugenio. Good for 2 points.
Great job!
Diaz to Ocampo. Here's Gabo Campo. Pass to Valdez. Valdez fires. Malakas. Rebound number 5. Blocked by Paitan. Last 2 minutes.
Dali, may 8 seconds tayo. Pasa, pasa.
Spidillo. To Eugenio. As pass to Evangelista. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Diaz.
Ah!
Steal by Ramones.
Good job, Ikas.
15, Evangelista, penalty. Third personal foul ng Evangelista. Sige, sub. Okay. Okay, yan. First throw, wala. First throw. Malakas. Rebound. Hit. 1 minute. Hit airport. Save. Blesses. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Valdez. 50 seconds remaining. Sueto. Wala. Rebound pero muna. Pasto Peñalosa. Peñalosa confirme. Wala. Light ball. Lakbo. 33 seconds remaining. 30 seconds. Crisostomo. Pass to Sueto. Sueto. To Crisostomo. Crisostomo. Diaz. Connect for 2.
Hands up na.
12 seconds. Okay, dahan-dahan na lang.
Tira, Pao. Tira.
5 seconds.
Tira, Pao.
Okay, next game. Prepare na kayo. Prepare. Okay, congratulations.